What's up? It's Jared from Audi Wilmington. And today, we're back with another Quattros and answers. Let's go. My brother Sam. Question for you. If you had to choose two Audis for the rest of your life to be in your garage, a daily and a weekend, what would it be?
B7 RS4 Avant, if I could import it, right? And a V8 manual Gen 1 R8.
Can't go wrong. I appreciate you, my dude. Yo, Tony. Question for you, my dude. If you had to choose two Audis to be in your garage for the rest of your life, a daily and a weekend, which two would they be?
I would say for the daily, I'd drive probably like a nicely loaded Q8, sit a little higher SUV for the week. And then for the weekend, sitting a little pretty in front of the spot, I'm thinking RS7 performance.
All right. That's a good lineup right there. You can't go wrong. Appreciate you. What's good, Chris? So, question. If you had to choose two Audis to be in your garage for the rest of your life, which two would they be as your weekend and as a daily?
95 S2 Coupe and a B9 A5 or S5.
Sweet, appreciate you. What's good, Kyle? Question for you. If you had to choose two Audis to be in your garage for the rest of your life, which two would they be? Think of a daily and a weekender.
Man, that's a tough choice. There's so many great cars, a lot of options. I like space, so the SQ7 is a good one, and I think the R8 would be the other contender.
Can't go wrong. I appreciate you. What's up, Nick?
Hey, what's up, man?
Nothing much. Question. If you had to choose two Audis to own for the rest of your life, which two would they be? A daily and a weekend?
I'd go with an RS6 Avant and a Sport Quattro S1.
Which one's the daily and which one's the weekend?
RS6 is definitely the daily.
I figured. Great picks, man. Appreciate you. Yo, what's up, Chris?
What's up, bro?
Question for you.
What's up?
If you had to choose two Audis to be in your garage for the rest of your life, which two would they be? A weekend and a daily?
So daily, I'd probably say one of the new S6 e-trons or the SQ6 e-trons. It's got the latest and greatest Audi technology. Just an awesome car to be in and comfortable. That'd be my daily. For a weekend car, it'd probably be like an RS3, something that can make good power with a couple mods.
Ooh. Appreciate you, big dog.
Thank you.
What's good, Carlos?
What up, man?
Question for you. If you had to choose two Audis to be in your garage for the rest of your life, which two would they be? Daily and weekend?
All right, I'll have to say probably that's a weekend car. The RS6 Performance, 100%, big car, you know. And also for the daily SQ7, just because it's big, you know, good car, man.
Can't go wrong with either of them. Appreciate you. Rad Brad was good.
What's up, bro?
Chilling, man. Question. If you had to choose only two Audis to own for the rest of your life, a daily and a weekend, which two would they be?
That's a very hard question. For the daily, I would have to go with electric and do the new Q6 e-tron.
Okay.
You know, you don't have to worry about fuel, and it's just definitely a comfortable ride.
Yep.
For the weekend, I'd probably have to do the R8. Yeah, it's just our most exotic car, and it's so fun.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Cool. Appreciate you, dog. All right, everyone, that is a wrap for this episode of Quattros and Answers. Be sure to turn on those post notifications to know when we drop the next episode, and we'll catch you guys soon. Stay safe.